Convert to binary and keep leading zeros. I'm trying to convert an integer to binary using the bin function in Python. However, it always removes the leading zeros, which I actually need, such that the result is always 8-bit. Example. Is there a way of doing this?
You can use the string formatting mini language. Thanks to @Martin Peters for the suggestion idea. Demo. Output. C. Format specification mini language. Note: for Python 2.6 or older, you cannot omit the positional argument identifier before column, so use
Use the format function. The format function simply formats the input following the format specification mini language. The hashtag makes the format include the 0b prefix, and the 010 size formats the output to fit in 10 characters with 0 padding, 2 characters for the 0b prefix, the other 8 for the binary digits. This is the most compact and direct option. If you are putting the result in a larger string, use unformatted string literal 3.6+, or use str.format, and put the second argument for the format function after the colon of the placeholder column ... As it happens, even for just formatting a single value, so without putting the result in a larger string, using a formatted string literal is faster than using format. But I'd use that only if performance in a tight loop matters, as format communicates the intent better. If you did not want the 0b prefix, simply drop the hashtag and adjust the length of the field.
I am using will print.
What